Epson's Perfection V39 color photo and document scanner combines exceptional quality with easy-to-use features for restoring, archiving, and sharing your most important originals. The V39 offers high-quality scans at 4800 dpi optical resolution, capturing your photos and documents with amazing precision. Books, photo albums, and other large objects can be scanned thanks to the V39's removable lid. The V39 includes ArcSoft Scan and Stitch Deluxe software, so you can scan any type of oversized print, document, or artwork and assemble the image with seamless results. Its advanced digital dust correction allows you to save on photo retouching by automatically cleaning up dusty images. The V39's easy front panel buttons make simple jobs a breeze, allowing you to quickly scan directly to email and create PDFs. The V39's kickstand feature allows you to stand it upright, saving valuable desk space even while in use. And its USB power interface makes it easy to pick up and use with any computer in your home without plugging it into the wall. Epson's Easy Photo Fix technology allows you to restore color to faded photos, helping you preserve your priceless memories with one click. And the V39 even comes with Epson Document Capture Pro for optical character recognition, document management, and scanning to cloud services like Google Drive or Evernote. Combining outstanding performance with remarkable features, Epson's Perfection V39 helps you maintain valuable documents and preserve your most precious memories. Epson. Exceed your vision.